Hey, you're walking one of our properties in Houston, part of the 1,275 unit portfolio. We are starting to do the paint on the exterior. You can see we got our crews working on spraying the paint right now. We also walked the property today with one of our investors that wrote a $10 million check on this portfolio, and we were giving them an update on the CapEx and how we're doing with the vacancies and how we're performing overall. And as you can see, so this was the existing colors, this hideous green, and on this one we decided to go back more with a tan, a really nice blue on the doors. It's going to be a white trim around the windows. Yeah, we got a lot going on. We got all 5 properties, doing the exterior paint on them, and it's going to be good transformation.